This is in the back of the stone barn, and you can see we've got a little bit of water coming up here. We elevated this bridge a couple years ago, and it really works well. We brought in a crane and we lifted it up and put some concrete blocks underneath of it. And if we didn't do that, it would have been all over. And it's now no longer backing up the water. And we put in some blocks along here to keep the road from eroding out. And here's some runoff coming down the driveway. This is going up on Route 313. You can see this is the runoff from the new development that's being put in up here called Carriage Hill. There's a huge amount of water coming down the way here. Highland Hill Farm is located on Route 313 in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, about 2 miles west of Doylestown. Our street address is 5275 West Swamp Road, which is Route 313. We're open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week. We have a wide selection of trees and shrubs. We have trees up to 4-inch caliper and arborvitaes up to about 14 foot tall. We can deliver and plant for you, and we can deliver all over the East Coast, and we service areas from Georgia to Tennessee up to Detroit, Michigan, and also into Boston, New York City, Washington, D.C. corridors. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. Again, that's 215-651-8329 for your trees and shrubs.